I hope doing well. In today's video, we are going to set up uh, the fee structure. Uh, we have already imported the chart of accounts, without which we can't process any financial transactions. So first of all, we will come here in the finance module, and first of all, we need to set up the fee structure. So fees setup, fees type, what kind of fees we are going to introduce. So here are the uh, account heads related to fee structure. From the chart of accounts will come automatically. Practical, subject, income, examination fees, other fees. We will first select the admission fees, and we can say this is admission fees. Save and new. Then tuition fees. Save and new. We need to do this only once, not every time. It's once when it's been set up, so it will work for the whole institute for the throughout the time. uh, Library fees. Seven new. Transport fees. Seven new. Computer lab fees. You can add more or edit all these fee heads in your chart of accounts. You can add more as well. Examination fees. And 7 close. So all these been added properly. Now we are going to make the fees groups. We would separate classes. So fees group is, you can say, play group, and I will copy this, Control V. Save and new. I will use nursery now. And 7 close. So these two groups have been created. Then we will go to fees master. And fees master, if we go to the add fee master, so this is the play group. Fees type, here we are going to make two type of fees for each and every class. So one are the one we are collecting annually or one time. So I will say admission fees, and I will say 5,000. Add more. You can select examination fees 1,000 and save it. Again, I will go for play group. I will select tuition fees 1,200. Add more. Library fees 250. I will add more computer lab fees, and it will be 300. And transport fees, if you want to add it, so that depends on the route. What route, if you have one static for each and every class wherever they are coming from or whatever route they are using, so you can assign them accordingly. Otherwise, I'm not going to edit here, so I remove them. So these three monthly fee structure I added, and I saved them. So fees master, uh, now these are the uh, fees master I added for the playgroup section, and then we will go to assign them. So we will assign the fees in the next video.